Hi everyone, so as you can see, I'm now doing the voiceover over the demo video. It's more convenient. I already compiled the file and build all the peers now. They will start to try and ping each other very quickly. So take peer 8 for example. It has peer 10 and 12 as its successors and has 4 and 5 as its predecessors. So you can see that it has received response from 10 and 12, and it also received requests from 4 and 5. So to prove that, I actually use a UDP socket for pinging. I use a datagram socket and use it to create a ping server. The ping server is responsible for initiate the ping makers and handling the ping message. The ping maker will continuously make ping requests to the peers and check if they are still alive. So every few seconds it will send a request. The server will respond to those requests and confirm the response from others. If it's not confirmed, the ping maker will need to reping. So now we are going to request a file. Yeah, I slightly cut the video, but you shouldn't bother. So the peer file had requested the file 2012 and 8, 10, 12, 15 said that they didn't have the file and has already passed a message until it reached to the peer 1 and send the file back to peer 5. So I use the server socket to make TCP connection. The server socket is used to build a request receiver which will continuously listen to the TCP socket. And I use a new thread response maker to process each request the server has received. So there will be the file requesting, a lot of file requesting, and depends on if the peer has or don't have the file, it will make different response. The departure message is also handled by the response maker. When the peer receives a departure, it will update its successors and sometimes reset their predecessors, and it will also send confirmation to the peer who is departing. So back to the terminal. The peer 10 is now quitting. So 8 and 5 will receive the departure message and update its peers. For peer 5, its successor is now 8 and 12. For peer 8, the successor is now 12 and 15. So after it updates the information, it also renews the ping message. You can see that the ping is still correct. So now peer 5 is already being killed. Might need a few seconds for the response. Okay, so now the peer 4 and peer 3 has already found that peer 5 is no longer alive and update its successor. Peer 3 now have 4 and 8 as its successors, and peer 4 has 8 and 12 as its successors. So that's it.